In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam CS2 trading errors when your inventory seems unavailable. Sometimes this error can be a bit of a headache, but don't worry, we'll guide you through a few straightforward steps to help get things back on track. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure that Steam is completely closed. Often, issues like these can be resolved by simply restarting the app. To do this, head over to the top left corner of your Steam client. You'll see the Steam tab there. Click on it, and you'll find an option that says Exit. Go ahead and select that. It's like hitting refresh for the entire application. Alternatively, if you have the Steam icon on your desktop or taskbar, you can also right-click on it and choose Exit from that menu. Both methods effectively close the application, ending any background processes that might be causing hiccups. Once you've exited Steam, you'll want to log back in. It might seem like a simple action, but logging out and back in often helps realign various app settings and reconnect to the server. So, open up Steam again, enter your credentials, and sign back in. This step alone can often resolve the trading error issue because it reestablishes your session with the Steam servers. If, after doing this, you are still encountering issues with your inventory or trading, it might be time to investigate the server status. Head over to steamstats.com to check whether the Steam servers are up and running smoothly in your region. Sometimes, server outages or maintenance can cause temporary disruptions in services like trading or inventory management. By checking the server status, you can determine whether the issue is global or localized just to your account. It's also worth keeping in mind that the Steam market, being quite popular, is sometimes susceptible to crashing due to a high volume of requests. If you're noticing that the error coincides with peak gaming times, it may simply be an overload on Steam's end. In such cases, patience might be the only solution as you wait for things to stabilize. Hopefully, these steps have helped you with the trading error you're encountering in Steam CS2. Restarting the client, re-establishing your connection, and staying informed about server status are all solid methods to troubleshoot these common issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gaming!